In this video, we are going to see how to create a list of lists in Python. For this code snippet search, we are using kandi.openweaver.com. In query, we need to give us Python creating a list of lists. Here, it shows n number of code snippet. I am just copying the first code snippet and paste it in my IDE. Before going to see the output of this code, we can go through what the code is. This Python code generates a list of 4 shuffled lists. The original list is stored in input list. By using this random shuffle, we are shuffling all the numbers in the list, and it is stored in shuffled list, and we are going to print this shuffled list. Now we can run this code. Here we can see the output. It generates the 4 lists, and here all the elements are same, but the order is different. This is because we are using